Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone tips and tricks. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to clean up storage space on your Android phone by deleting some of unused apps on your Android phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Android phone files. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the three slider from the top. Go ahead and click on clean. Then scroll down right here and make sure you look for deleted or unused apps. Go ahead and click on select apps. So click on select apps right here. And that's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to select as many as possible apps that you don't use on your Android phone and get them deleted. So I select about 2 apps right here. From your own end, it might be more than that. Once you select all the apps that you no longer use, go ahead and click on uninstall right here. Go ahead and click on OK. Go ahead and click on OK. Boom. I save about 524 megabytes. Lastly, you want to make sure you proceed to your Google Play Store. And for that, go ahead and exit from the file manager right here. And then go ahead and make sure you look for Play Store to free up more storage. So go ahead and click on Play Store right here. So I will click on Play Store, and the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on the profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Manage Apps and Device. Then go ahead and click on Manage. Then go ahead and make sure you click on here. Then go ahead and click on Not Install. Then go ahead and select the app you deleted so far. I'm going to select this one right here. Then I have to make sure I look for Firefox. So here we go. This is Firefox. I will select them. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to delete. Then go ahead and click on Remove. So you can remove as many as possible unused apps from these sections right here. This allows you to free up more storage space on your Android phone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.